This video is sponsored by the bigY store, a reliable and trusted supplier from China offering a wide range of tech products at great prices. Whether you're looking for the latest iPhone, AirPods, JBL speakers, Apple Watch, Dyson hair dryers or Samsung's newest flagship phones, the bigY store has you covered. One of the best things about the bigY store is the convenience it offers. Their website provides a seamless shopping experience with clear product photos hosted on Youpo, and direct shopping links neatly organized on their Linktree page. You can easily browse and purchase anything you need with just a few clicks. But it's not just about the products, the bigY store prides itself on delivering top-notch customer service. Their team is highly responsive on WhatsApp, addressing any queries or concerns you may have promptly. You can reach them at +86 189 2600 7375 for personalized. What really sets the bigY store apart is their commitment to quality. They work directly with manufacturers to ensure that every product they sell meets the highest standards. Whether it's an iPhone, AirPods, or any other gadget, you can trust that you're getting a genuine, authentic product that will serve you well. The best part? The bigY store offers these premium products at very competitive prices. By cutting out the middlemen and dealing directly with suppliers, they're able to pass on those savings to you, the customer. So not only are you getting top quality tech, but you're also getting an amazing deal. But don't just take my word for it, check out the bigY store for yourself. Head over to their website, link in the description below, and browse their extensive collection. I'm confident you'll find exactly what you're looking for, and at a price that'll make you smile. And if you're still on the fence, the bigY store offers a hassle-free returns policy, so you can shop with confidence. They stand behind their products and want you to be completely satisfied with your purchase. So there you have it, folks, the bigY store, your one-stop shop for all your tech needs. With their wide selection, exceptional service, and unbeatable prices, it's no wonder they're quickly becoming a go-to destination for savvy shoppers. Give them a try and see for yourself why they're taking the e-commerce world by storm.